Hi everyone, welcome to my channel. So today I'm going to tell you the difference between stitch stroke and merged object. So let's get started. First let's take cube, default cube, and on next layer let's take okay. So I have taken a two object and I'm gonna place it like this. Now you can see they I have two layers here. So once I click on both of the layer I can do a merge tool which basically merge the object into one. That is it. And let's do stitch and scoop. In stitch and scoop you can see a union. What does a union does is combine these object like this, just like merging tool, but here we can select partition of the faces. But in merge tool, if we have used the merge tool, I can select whole part in just one click. So now let's undo it. Okay, we have two layers and let's do difference. Okay, now I want this sphere part to be gone, so I select the sphere and this is the preview. The sphere part has been deleted from the object as I have done the difference. Now what if I want square to be removed? See, you can use this for helmet and etc. The square has been removed. Okay, now let's see exclusion. Now what does this exclusion does? As you can see there, you will thinking that union and exclusion are the same, but no. Exclusion, sorry, exclusion will erase that intersection part. There, when they are intersecting, the inner part has been removed by the exclusion. Let me undo it. Okay. Now the last one, intersection. Now what does this intersection does? It only shows the intersection when two objects intersect at which point. It shows only that point and everything else will be deleted. So this was simple. I hope you get it. Once again, a union joint object with each in which we can select each and every part. A difference, we can delete one of the things that we don't like, don't wish to use. And exclusion, it joins it, but when it intersects it deletes the intersection part, but it will join it. And the intersection, delete everything but the intersection part will remain. And in merge tool, it will merge it, and when we select we can select whole shape, but in union we can't select whole shape. We can only select a partition of this square also. See, okay, I hope you understand this. If you have any query you can write it on the comment section. Thank you.